Hi, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today I am here to unbox the June 2022 Beauty Heroes box. I am opening it now on June 3rd, so a few days late, but it just arrived today. If you know, normally I like to open it having no idea what the brand is. However, this time, like I usually on June 1st ask my husband to find the email in my inbox that it announces what the brand is, and I have him like move it out of my inbox. But there was like a delay with my email, and so I'm pretty sure that the brand is LILFOX because there was some email and my husband said the brand name. So we'll see what's in here. I don't know anything further than that, so that's cool. So let's see if it is LILFOX and then go from there. So let's just do the unboxing. Here's the box. Always love opening up a new box every month. I look forward to it. Okay, it is LILFOX, so I did know the brand this time, or at least had a high suspicion based on my husband spilling the beans. So let's find out what the products are. All right, we've got the thing. So just to say, I started Beauty Heroes last year in July. So July 2021 was my first box, and it was actually LILFOX. So now this is my 12th box, and now I'm finishing up a year's worth of Beauty Heroes with LILFOX, which is kind of interesting. It's my first repeat brand in the year. So let's just see. I still have the two LILFOX products and they're not finished yet. So I guess we'll try two new ones. All right, looks like we have two products. We have Ambrosia Immortalis and Blue Lagoon. So let's check them out. Blue Lagoon is a soothing hydration mask. Oh, I love getting a new mask. That's fun. And then I don't know what Ambrosia Immortalis is. I kind of hope it's not like a cream or something because they keep giving us creams and I like can't keep up. But let's see. Oh, it's an eye mask. Okay. Oh, I'm excited. This is cool. Cool, cool. Okay. All right. So Ambrosia Immortalis, the Eye Complex Leave-On Peptide Mask. And this is the hero product. It is 15 milliliters for $130. Yikes. That is an expensive eye product. This is good because I actually am pretty under control with my eye products. I am using one from the September box from Beauty Heroes, and Violets Are Blue, I think it's called, and I don't love it. So it's kind of fun to like get a new one. So it says this potent protective mask vanishes dark circles, puffiness, fine lines, and loss of elasticity. With repeated use, skin is visibly firmer, smoother, and brighter. All right, this is what it looks like. It's nice and small, but you know, we don't need a lot with eye products. So it says, capture the vibrance of the Greek and Roman deities with every application of LILFOX's latest hero product, Ambrosia Immortalis Eye Mask. A goddess-inspired formula energized with a generous percentage of 4 specific peptide chains. This lightweight cream mask penetrates the delicate skin around eyes to support natural cell repair for fresh, plump, smoothed appearing skin. Straight from the Amazon to the skin, Babassu oil brings a wealth of antioxidants and omegas to pair with organic aloe vera to replenish and refortify. This decadent base is infused with the regenerative powers of purslane, a botanical studied for its ability to activate telomerase enzymes that have a hyper-smoothing effect by boosting skin resiliency and self-restoration. Extracts of horse chestnut, marshmallow root, 2% moth bean extract, and tetra C combine riches of the botanical world with elevated actives for the most decadent of eye treatments. Strawberry seed oil, rich with linoleic acid and antioxidants, orange blossom peptides, and pomegranate seed, CO2, are responsible for the sweet scent of this naturally essential oil-free formula. I'm interested to smell it because with one of the LILFOX products I have, the marshmallow, I can't remember what the name is. It's the cream that came in June 2021. It's the marshmallow poof. That's the one that smells really strongly like jasmine grandiflorum, I believe, and it's like overpowering. So I'm curious to see how this smells. It says, with its violet hue, that sounds pretty, and decadent creamy texture, Ambrosia Immortalis absorbs quickly. Apply a light layer in the daytime and a thicker layer at night and wake up to skin that matches your inner goddess glow. The superpower ingredients are babassu oil, butterfly pea extract, horse chestnut extract, moth bean extract, orange blossom, and pomegranate peptides. So let's open it up after all that. Smell it and see it. Oh, that's so pretty. Is that not really pretty? That's like really pretty. Very unique. Smells really pleasant too. Let's see about the consistency. Oh, it's pretty firm. Cool. Oh, it's nice. It's just like a nice lotion. The one I'm using right now from Violets Are Blue is like thin, and I'm not loving it, but I like this. This is more like a balm. I'm gonna put a little on just because I have like, just to like test it. I just want to feel what it feels like. It feels really nice. This is the kind of consistency I think I like for an eye product. It has more substance to it, whereas the Violets Are Blue one I'm using right now is like liquidy. This is nice. And it smells good. Yum. Orange blossom peptides, pomegranate seed CO2, sweet scent, definitely. Okay, that is awesome. I'm actually really excited about this product. It's so pretty and smells good and feels great. So first impression is high. Kind of wish it didn't cost $130 because what if I love it? Anyways, cool. All right, and the next one is the Blue Legume Soothing Hydration Mask. It's 50 milliliters and $88. This is what the box looks like. Pretty sure, I could be totally wrong, but I almost think the eye mask is a brand new product, and that the Blue Legume Soothing Hydration Mask I think is a repeat, not a repeat, an already existing product. And I've heard a lot about it and sounds awesome. So it says a Shitake and Micro-Algae Hydra-soothe cream mask. All right, so ocean blue symbolizes deep tranquility, and it's what you can expect from Blue Legume Soothing Hydration Mask by LILFOX. This month's sidekick is a transformative treatment in the form of a luxuriously rich pudding-like mask. Ooh, that sounds good. That feels like the hydration of an entire ocean is saturating your skin. Blue spirulina microalgae inspire skin's natural detoxification process and improve blood flow, so don't be alarmed if you notice a slight flush after use. Polysaccharides of shiitake and reishi mushrooms, wild pansy, and edelweiss visibly plump sagging skin and lines, while the naturally occurring flavonoids in butterfly pea powder deliver an abundance of antioxidants and a beautiful blue hue that inspires the name. It's interesting, this butterfly pea is in both products, and one's an extract and one's butterfly pea. The enchanting scents of sweet and holy basil, wild mint, lime, and palmarosa bring an immediate feeling of cool and calm, making Blue Legume a full spectrum sensory experience, a signature of Madame Fox. The superpower ingredients are blue spirulina microalgae, butterfly pea, edelweiss, shiitake and reishi mushroom, sweet and holy basil, and wild pansy extract. Awesome. Sounds great. And I just finished a mask the other day, and I'm close to finishing another, so that's pretty great. Actually kind of have like my mask, at least my mask situation, like pretty well under control too. So like these two products kind of fit really nicely. They did do a mask in the last few months, the honey mask from, I can't think of the name right now. It's the Manuka honey brand. And that's a really nice mask too. So I'm not sad about getting another mask. So let's check it out. Looks like a gorgeous blue from the picture. Look at that. Oh, that is an interesting smell. It smells definitely like herbs. It must be the basil. Sweet and holy basil, wild mint, lime, and palmarosa. Oh, that's an interesting scent. Okay, let's see. It says pudding-like. Yep, so. Cool. I think that'll be really nice to use and try out. That scent is interesting. It almost reminds me of pesto in a way. I mean, I know a lot of pesto is made from basil, you know. I know you can make pesto with like different, like spinach pesto and different kinds. That actually really reminds me of basil. Not bad. Interesting though. Anyways, you know, so you get the gist of it, that it's Oh my gosh. This is like really blue. My son, he's gonna be 4. He loves the color blue. He's gonna be kind of excited about these beauty products, but I don't usually necessarily show him them, but if I show him, he'll probably want them all over him, so I better just keep it to myself. But 2 blue products, so cool. All right, I am excited about this. Masks are always great to get. And an eye product, I think, I'd have to really look, but I think it might be the second one I've received in a year, which I feel like is really reasonable because it takes so long to go through them, so it's great. So I'm excited. At first, when my husband kind of spilled the beans about LILFOX, I was like, oh, a repeat brand in my first year, you know, like my full year. It's the last month of my first year of Beauty Heroes, but I was kind of like disappointed by the idea of getting a repeat brand, especially just because I hadn't finished the products up from last year. But I like use them, but to me, they're like products. It's like an acid glow and a moisturizer that goes with it. So I really only use it like once every few weeks or like once a month. I'm like trying to make myself use it because of course, like expiration wise, like we're there. One of them was 6 months. So one of them I'm 6 months over and one of them is 12 months. So I'm like about at the year. So I'm trying to like work on them, but I don't use a lot of like acid products because my skin's pretty like normal as long as I'm using just like my regular skincare routine. So I'm just not into like harsh treatments and stuff. So I just do it occasionally, but I'm excited. I don't really know a ton about the brand, even though I have those 2 products. I never bought anything else from them. So like to try 2 more is pretty cool. So, and they're both unique, a mask and an eye treatment. Cool. Yeah, so that is awesome. The box is over $200 value. So I think it's $218 value, my quick math. If it's wrong, I'll correct it down there. Anyway, so I'm excited to use the products this month, and I definitely look forward to hearing from you guys in the comments below about this unboxing. Would love to know what you think, how you feel about the box, etc. And please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, found it helpful, and click the subscribe button if you'd like to be alerted for when the next video comes out. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.